Hi. In this series on learning how to build apps without any coding knowledge, we're going through primarily one no code platform, Bubble. Now, Bubble is a vast platform and ecosystem. I've been working in the Bubble space for 2.5 years, and I'm definitely, it still sometimes feels like I'm just scratching the surface of Bubble, and there's always something new to learn. Now we've covered the basics in the previous video, but there's many other resources that you should just be aware of. The Bubble forum is fantastic. The Bubble blog has lots of great blogs. The Bubble Academy has lots of great kind of videos. Bubble coaching, you can get on demand coaching and just get on a Zoom call, call, and just talk through, because a lot of people, every use case is so specific. The forum, blog, manual, academy, tutorial video won't cover it. Your case will be specific, so coaching helps with that. There's boot camps, free courses, paid courses. There's templates where you can, you know what, I want something like Upwork template. I'm not a fan of templates. The reason being, using templates requires a bit more of an advanced, mid-level advanced Bubble skill, rather than, oh, I just started Bubble, I'll just start with a template and I'll get started. Maybe if your template fits exactly that use case, then you can get traction in it. There's loads of plugins in Bubble. There's books on Bubble. So we've got various kind of links here, other miscellaneous, to specific areas in the resource. You can check them out in detail. Definitely recommend the books, Build Camp, all everything. There's ridiculously high quality stuff out there. Uh, so yeah, all right. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.